I hate to burst your bubble, but there is no good way to get your Google Calendar inside of your Notion. You can create a widget, but it just ends up looking wonky and it doesn't really function right. However, if that is what you'd like to do, I do have a video on my page. You can go ahead and check it out. Today, I'm going to tell you why there is no way to truly connect your Google Calendar inside of your Notion. Let's jump right in. What you're looking at here is Notion Calendar, an entirely separate app from Notion that allows you to log in with all of your Gmail accounts. This is a free app that you can get, and it does connect very nicely with Notion, and I'll show you how. If we go back over here to my Notion, you'll see that I have some tasks for the week of the 27th, on the 28th and the 29th. These are just some sample tasks I put in here. And if we go back over to our Notion calendar, you'll see that we can see these tasks up here. Now, what makes this really, really cool and exciting is that if you're somebody that likes to time block, or you have any tasks that are going to be at a specific time, you can just click and drag them wherever you want and assign them a length. And then when we go back over here into our Notion, it is going to have all of the tasks with the times on them and put them in order. You can also click this little manage in calendar button that will open Notion calendar for you so that you can connect your database and see your tasks up here. And yes, this works if you have more than one task database. You can show anything outside of tasks as long as they have like a date assigned and you link that date to Notion. So if you wanted to show meetings that were actually resources inside of your Notion, you could do that. There's a lot of options here, but that is why you will never find a true Google Calendar and Notion connection, because they want you to use Notion Calendar instead. But I will say, after having used this for like a year, it is a wonderful calendar app. I love it so much. It has free scheduling. There's a lot of really cool tools, and it just works really nicely. I log into it with all of my Gmail accounts and I can see them all in one place, and it's connected to my Notion. So highly recommend, wonderful tool. Let me know if you end up checking it out.